guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I have for you a fun fall wreath. It's so cute, easy, and inexpensive to make. Don't forget, if you like this wreath tutorial, to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click the subscribe button below the video, and if you want notifications for when I upload a tutorial or a shop with me video, just click the bell and YouTube will notify you. For this wreath, you're going to need a Dollar Tree 14-inch wreath ring, and you're going to need some beautiful pumpkins from Target Bullseye Playground that are only $1. Can you believe it? $1. So you're going to need 7 pumpkins from Target, and you're going to need some ribbon to get started. You will also need some fall leaves, and you can pick them up at Dollar Tree, and you're going to need some tiny pine cones or acorns. Now this is very simple, but you might want to put on your hot glue finger guards first. So you're going to take your ribbon and you are going to hot glue it on to your wreath ring. Just be very careful when you hot glue your ribbon on. Let it have time to dry, and then you're going to wrap your wreath ring with your ribbon. Try to get it as smooth as you can. Now if you're using Dollar Tree ribbon, it's a little bit short with one roll, or at least it is for me. You can be really careful and try not to overlap it very much and make it with one roll of the Dollar Tree ribbon. A few days ago, I uploaded a tutorial where I made a cute fall wreath with a cute little gnome in the center, and it was similar to this one but different too. So if you haven't checked out that wreath tutorial, I can link it in the description box below for you, plus all of the other fall wreaths that I have made so far this year. And this is how the wreath ring looks when it's wrapped with ribbon, and you can use any color ribbon that you would like. Next, I'm just taking some fall leaves and I am just hot gluing them onto the wreath. So I am doing a pattern with my leaves. I believe in this package of leaves from Dollar Tree there were 50 leaves, and they're on the small side, so I'm just hot gluing them on. I did a red one on the right, orange on the left, and a yellow one on the bottom, and then now I'm adding a bunch of hot glue, and I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and a Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. Put some on the pumpkin, placed it on top of the leaves and the wreath ring, and I'm going to hold it for a little while and let it have time to dry. Next, I'm going to move down a few inches and repeat the same pattern. I also let this wreath sit overnight and have plenty of time to dry, and remember, you'll want to use Gorilla Glue, hot glue, or whatever hot glue brand that you trust. If you have not been to Target Bullseye Playground, you need to go soon because they have the cutest pumpkins for only $1. These also come in a beautiful teal color. They had lots of different styles and designs for only $1, so it's hard to find things that are cute for $1 now. So hurry to Target and pick up some pumpkins, and you'll need a total of 7. I wasn't sure how many I would need, so I did buy a total of 10, but that's okay because I can sit them around and make some beautiful fall decor with them. This is the way it looks with the 7 pumpkins sitting on top of the leaves. And now on the left side of each pumpkin, I am just hot gluing a miniature pine cone. You do not have to add the pine cones if you do not want to. It looks beautiful without the pine cones. And so now I'm ready to tie a bow for the top center of the wreath. To attach my bow to my wreath, I'm just taking a piece of floral wire, threading it underneath the zip tie, and that way I can easily attach it to my wreath. And this is just 20 gauge floral wire. So I'm going to take my wire and I'm going to go to the top of the wreath ring and take a piece of wire, put one at the top, one at the bottom, go to the back, twist the wires, cut them off short and fold them down, and then fluff and shape my bow again. To hang this wreath at, I just took some twine, made a loop, and then hot glued it to the top back of the wreath and put a piece of ribbon over the knot, and then that way I could easily hang it up on my door. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this easy and inexpensive fall wreath. So I have around $10, maybe a little more in this wreath, and it is so pretty. I actually put it over my couch in my living room. I have one of those like wooden cathedral like window things from Kirkland's, so I hung it up on it and it looks perfect for fall. At the end of this video, I added some pictures of some of the other fall DIYs I have done, so if you haven't seen them, go check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and make sure you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much.